Hey, it's Mark here and welcome to another mini marketing moment. Now today I want to talk to you about a subject that a lot of you have kind of mixed feelings about. Testimonials. We've all seen those terrible testimonials on late night TVs for vitamin products or thigh masters or what have you. And you know what? Yeah, they are fake. And there has been a lot of controversy about fake reviews going on places like Amazon and eBay, where people get other people say, hey, I'll endorse you if you endorse me. Yeah, testimonials are a bit of a slippery slope and a dodgy place, but I can tell you that if you do them properly, they work. Now, here is why a testimonial works. Because a brand is comprised of two things. One, a promise I make to you, you're gonna love this stuff I'm selling. Two, an expectation that you have of me. I expect that you're going to blow my doors off with this thing that you're selling. Now here's the problem. When I make you the promise, I say you're going to be very impressed, you're not going to believe me because I have a vested interest. I'm selling the product, for God's sake. However, if I can get a person with no vested interest to say, yes, this stuff works and it will blow your socks off, credibility goes through the roof. That's why testimonials work. Here's how you can make them work for you. Super easy. If you have happy clients, happy customers, ask them to take an iPhone and film themselves saying, I like this product and here's why. Send it to you and post it up on your YouTube. It doesn't need to look flashy. It doesn't need to look polished. In fact, if it does look flashy and polished, it will work against you because all the viewers will go, it's fake. It's so pretty, it's fake. So get the unpolished, unvarnished testimonials up on YouTube, up on your website, send them out as emails. You will see it work for your brand. Now, if you like these mini marketing moments, make sure to subscribe below because I put one out a week. You don't want to miss them. This way they'll come straight to your inbox. Have a good one.